Hi, I'm Antoinette Shaw, your Reno real estate agent for Ferrari Lund. I'm sure a lot of you know that I've been going through some difficulties with my brand new grandbaby, but she is doing fantastic. Of course, she was born a fighter. It runs in our bloodline. At any rate, I just wanted to touch base with you all and let you know some of the things that are going on in the real estate market. And as always, lately, we are still seeing a climb in home prices. Those of you that are my past clients, I have just sent you out new information on your home and let you know how much equity you have in your house right now. So if you're thinking about selling, give me a call. Perfect time to do it. I would love to help you upgrade into a new home. Interest rates are also starting to creep up, so keep your eye on that as well. Economists have predicted that the interest rates were going to go up mid-year this year, and we are starting to see them climb. So buyers, if you're on the fence, time to jump off. You don't want those interest rates to creep up on you. And sellers, same thing. If you want to sell your house and upgrade, watch those interest rates. Let's get your home on the market and sold and get you into a new home before those interest rates get too high. Anyway, I hope you all are having a fantastic week, and I will check in with you soon. If you need anything, feel free to give me a call, 240-1160. I look forward to earning your business and selling Nevada, one yard at a time.